Hey, good morning everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. It is May the 30th. May the 30th, coming to you from international, global, when is this? International, global, galactic headquarters. And I gotta be honest with you, when I'm back in the United States, I love my quiet. I love my surroundings to be quiet, not real loud, but there's something about coming here and staying here when it's super noisy that it doesn't bother me. It's actually almost invigorating in some ways, but yeah, the sights and sound. Now here comes a chicken bus. I'm gonna wave to the chicken bus. The buses, well, I thought I was gonna wave. Okay, that's the chicken bus. Those are the buses that you could take from town to town. And I have no idea why they call them a chicken bus. I think that that's a slang. I think that that's a slang word for those buses. But they're so loud, noisy as all get out, and you could have not 300. That'd be an exaggeration. You could have 70 people on one of those buses and all the luggage up on top, they strap it down. Here comes another chicken bus. Right there, baby, that's how we do it. Anyhow, as I was saying, I like it peaceful and quiet when I'm in the United States. And I'm repeating myself, there's something invigorating. It kind of, makes me appreciate the stillness and quietness of my house. I almost stepped on a dead mouse. But anyhow, I'm kind of rambling. But again, it's always good to come, see my friends, talk about different things, and I have reason to believe that Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 and I will be returning in August. So again, it's a beautiful place. Love the people, and for those of you that were wondering if I was going to talk about cryptocurrency, I actually am, and some of you may not have known this, but this is the third 4-year Bitcoin cycle that I've been involved in some way, shape, or form. And I know that it gets very discouraging for some to know that they're waiting. And frankly, most get discouraged, sell at a loss, and then say how stupid cryptocurrencies are. So I know it's hard, I know it gets frustrating, but you just gotta hang on. And for those of you that follow me, I post a ton of positive stuff about this year's 4-year Bitcoin cycle, that I follow certain people on Twitter. So again, this is not a big call like, hey, follow me on YouTube, but there's a lot of super positive, bullish information out there. But it's easy to listen to the negativity. It's easy to, want things to go up in a straight line, which guess what? You already know that. It doesn't. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Coming to you from international, global, galactic headquarters. Going out for lunch today with my friend. And yeah, we'll do some more videos. Love y'all. Bye-bye.